future millionaires. My name is Mr. Crypto. Welcome to today's edition of CNN Network. Here at CNN, we'll be bringing you all the latest cryptocurrency news, unedited, unbiased, and unfiltered. So guys, if you like what you see, please smash that like button and subscribe. Turn on all your notifications for all latest news. So with all that being said, let's get going. Okay. Hope you're feeling well and good out there, people. Okay, very good news today. Today we'll be going over the first Bitcoin futures ETF that comes into effect today. We'll also be going over Crypto Fest 2021 Rumble in the Crypto Jungle. Yeah, so stay tuned for that, and we'll finish off with the charts. So just starting off now with the crypto market cap, we are up 2.9% to 2.6 trillion, which is very good. 24-hour volume of 116 billion and 45% dominance with ETH at 17.3. Remember, your altcoins will be suffering at the moment, but that is due to the Bitcoin dominance. As Bitcoin rises, you will see your altcoins suffer, but only for a little while. And then it will trickle down to Ethereum, and then it will trickle down to the first 100 coins, then 200 coins, and so on and so forth. So yeah, it's good to be diversified at the moment. Okay, so first Bitcoin futures ETF comes into force today. Bitcoin price volatility expected. The talk in the crypto town for the past several days has been predominantly in the potential launch of a Bitcoin ETF in the United States. After all, the country's Securities and Exchange Commission has been reluctant to approve such a product for years, while other nations like Canada and Brazil did so earlier this year. The pressure on the SEC is mounting, and the appointment of Gary Gensler, who previously had experience with blockchain, was regarded as a promising step in the right direction. Community members and strategists, even outside the space, started to make the optimistic predictions that a Bitcoin ETF could see the light of day by the end of 2021. And just now, hours away from perhaps its first ever ETF going live in the States, a Bait Futures backed one, it's worth reviewing the possible implications of the asset in the entire industry. So let me finish this off first. During the peak of the previous bull run in late 2017, the crypto community saw another significant development in Bitcoin's road to legitimacy with the launch of institutional grade BTC future contracts on two large exchanges, CBOE Global Markets and the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. While the former had a relatively short life, the latter often receives the blame for what transpires in the markets next. Bitcoin had just come off its all-time high at the time of 20,000, but lost more than 80% of its value in the following year. Numerous analysts later blamed on the manipulation of futures markets and the CME in particular. So what you've got now, you've got all the stock market giants joining the Bitcoin space now. They don't actually have to own the asset because it's not a spot price Bitcoin futures, which means that the companies do not have to buy Bitcoin. They're just betting on the price going up and down. So it's a less riskier road for these scared old boys that are trying to dip their toe in the crypto waters. It does mean that Bitcoin price will go up, but the volatility will increase because now you've got the big stock boys in the field, and they like to play dirty. Right, so just keep an eye on that. Crypto Fest 2021 Rumble in the Crypto Jungle returns for its third edition and announces first waves of its speakers. So this is a Crypto Fest which is very good for the crypto space. It brings more adoption and more coverage to people that don't know, that are actually looking to get into it. The last couple of months have been rocky for the crypto markets in general, but expectations are that Bitcoin and altcoins are soon going to the moon, causing quite a stir. This rumble in the crypto jungle is the current sentiment towards cryptocurrencies. With just under 25 days to go, the Crypto Fest 2021, things are heating up, and Bitcoin Events is happy to announce the first wave of thought leaders taking part in this year's event, from non-fungible tokens, NFT hype, the race towards the best smart contract platforms, decentralized finance, DeFi, taking on the traditional finance, the rise of NFT gaming, metaverse, the boom of peer-to-peer trading in Africa, and the rise of institutional interest and growth of crypto-focused venture capital. It promises to be a packed day of innovative discussions and networking. Crypto Fest 2021 will focus on the NFT and DeFi trends, and it will bring together a wide network of blockchain and crypto professionals and experts, entrepreneurs and regulators, creatives, major industry executives and investors. The event will include 30 plus speakers, 25 plus free sessions with presentations, panels, crypto battles, workshops, and so on and so forth. So this is another good indication that we are on the way up. All these things together correlate to the rising, and they will help Bitcoin get to its £100,000 target for this year. But remember, take profits on the way up, people. So let's just finish off by looking at the markets quickly. As you can see, we are at 62,800. The all-time high is, I'd say, let's get a bit closer. Okay, so we've got to 64,870 before. So we are very, very close to all-time highs. We are, in fact, only 3.42% away from all-time highs. Just remember, people, if you've been watching the channel for a few months, we was down here a few months ago, and I was begging you guys, please don't get fooled by the FUD. Please don't get fooled by the games. Please don't get fooled by the manipulators. And if you believed in what you brought, and you knew what you brought was good, then you would have held on. And now you would have truly been vindicated. Let's just look about how much percent you would have gained. So if you would have capitulated, which means given up, waved the white flag, you would have been... Oh, you've missed out on 112%. So please don't kick yourself, but that's got to hurt. Remember, we will always let you know on Crypto News Network when we are close to the top of the market. You have to really read the charts and know what you're doing. As I said before, this was the bottom of the market. Yeah, all you had to do is hold on a little while, and then you would have been vindicated. We did tell you about this giant cup and handle pattern as well that was playing out, and we are still on target for this extension here to 70,000. We was meant to show you this on the last episode, but we actually ran out of time. This is a very good indicator of where things are going in the crypto market. It's called the unrealized profit and loss. Let's just reload that. This indicates the top of the market. It has indicated the top of the market on the last 2 times, and it is on course to predict the top of the market this time. I'll show you exactly where to look for as soon as this loads up. Okay, computer's very slow today, people, sorry. There we go. Right, so as you can see here, let's get it on the scroll. Right, so when we get into this euphoria area, which is the pink area, this is when the market tanks. Every time we hit this pink area, the market tanks. This was the last bull run in 2017, and this is the last one in 2013. As you can see, we had a double peak there, and then we tanked. We had a mini bull market, and then we had our blow off top, and then we tanked. And this is the top of the market in the summer, and then we went down for the Elon Musk dump, that's what I call it, and now we're going up for our second peak again. When we do get to this pink area here, this is when we're likely to pull down again, just like we have on all the other years in the euphoria zone. So as you can see now, we're in optimism and denial. Soon we'll be in greed, and then we'll be in the euphoria, which correlates with the crypto fear and greed index. We've gone through this on other previous shows as well. This is another great indicator alongside what I just showed you. Right now we are in, let's have a look. This, I think this has to reload, or no, I think this is the actual today's value. Yeah, so today we're on 75, 78 and 78 last week. Or is it? Let's see, reload. Yeah, that's right. So 75, 78, 78, as you can see, greed, extreme greed. When we get to the extreme greed area here, this is when it's time to actually start thinking about pulling out your money. As you can see here, again, it correlates with the chart I just showed you. Here, top of the market again, then that's when we get into the greed area again here. This is when we get into the greed area. So this is where we are now. So if you see it get up to here, just be careful and be ready to pull out some funds. As I said, it all correlates with this. Let's have a little zoom in. Right, so as you can see, greed and euphoria, that's when we hit the top of the market, and that's when we're going to drop down. Right now we're just about to hit the greed area. So we've got a little bit way to go. This is why we will hit 100,000. This is going to go up very sharply. We'll hit there, and we might just even touch it, and then we'll go down. But keep an eye on it, people, because it will start to drop very sharply. So do start thinking about your exit strategy. Alright, so I hope we've been informative today. Please leave a like and subscribe. Smash the like button. Please leave them likes. We need to get these lights up, people. We need to get crypto out to as much people as possible. The more likes you give, the more people will be interested in crypto. Therefore, your assets will grow. Okay, so tell a friend, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.